time when I started day trading, I was looking for the best indicator possible that can give me the highest win rate in the whole indicator world. Fast forward today, I become the master of this indicator, and now I will teach you how you can trade just like me. So to use this trading strategy, we're gonna need a one toolkit that rules them all, which is Luxalgo's Premium. To add it, let's go to Indicators tab, and before we continue, if you still don't have it, I am putting the link down below for the 50% off. Grab it and come back to this video. So we need two indicators like I said. You will add signals and overlays and the price action concepts. Click both of them to add your chart. So the signals and overlays, as you can understand from the name, it will give you sell signal, it will give you buy signal. And the price action concepts will show you the volumetric order blocks like this. This is by far one of my favorite feature in this indicator, and it will show you change of character. It will show you more lot of things which I'm gonna show you in a moment. Now let's continue with the second step, how to use it. When you receive these signals, you will not just blindly execute on that. The first thing you want to do is you will switch your time frame to 2 minutes. Not 1, not 3, not 5, exactly the 2 minutes. If you made this far, I will give you a secret. From all my experience, I have seen that the best session to trade is by far New York AM session. And now we will trade on the New York AM session. New York AM session always starts at 9:30 AM Eastern time. We will roll the market to and wait for the first signal from the signals and overlays, and boom, we received a 3 classified sell signal. If you don't know what are those meanings, I'm putting on the screen so you will check it out. And are we gonna take this signal? Yes or no? The answer is yes. Why, Borsa? Why are we gonna just take this signal? Let's initiate a 5 Nasdaq contract and I will explain. There are two things that you need to confirm before you execute. The first thing is the signal. We received it, right? Yeah. And you need to check the time. It needs to come after the New York AM session start. Check. And the next rule is we need to get some kind of a change of character or a break of structure. We got the change of character. Check. And the final rule is you have to have a target. The target and the main target is obviously previous day low. We will be riding this trade and my take profit is previous day low and it's a $16,000 trade. Let's see if we get it or miss. You can put your stop loss just above this signal over here, or you can use this volumetric order block. As you can see that we just smashed a $16,000 without any drawdown. It's just breathtaking. So let's continue to watch the market. We will be taking all the signal that pops in my screen if it fits my criteria in the AM session. So we are rolling the market and wait for the next one. So we got a 2 classified buy signal here. Let's roll one more bar and boom. We got another confirmation thing here, which is a fair value gap. We can use all of these confirmation tools when it comes to execution. And as you can see that we have 2 classified buy signal. We have a bullish fair value gap. So what I want you to do is, since we don't have any change of character here, you can just decrease your position size to 3 and execute here. Target the session high. I want to take my partial at this equal highs over here. My stop loss is exactly here. So we touch the partial point. I want to take a 1 contract off here. I want to put my stop loss at break even. So let's see if we can get the full TP. We couldn't get. We stopped at the break even. $750 profit, and now in total we made $17,000. We're gonna keep rolling the market. We got a 3 classified sell signal. If you look over here, that it comes with the bearish fair value gap and the break of structure. You cannot get better than this. All you need to do is just execute here. A 5 contracts because we have all the confirmations that we need. So let's roll the market. We have the targets. What is the target? The Monday low. Let's see if the price can goes to here because it's a very far. If you look over to my chart, it's a 226 points. We will take partials on the way. We will pay ourselves. Let's see what will happen. And we just received a close position warning from the signals and overlays. This is also one of my favorite feature. I will just place a 3 buy contracts here and I will put my stop loss just above this candle high. All right, let's roll the market. Oh my god, we are very close to it. I will trail my stop to this fair value gap, and now I want to take one more contract off here and my final TP at Monday low. Let's see. Oh, we just received a 2 classified buy signal. So what I want you to do is just flatten your all position. So in total, we literally made trading AM session. Let's continue with the step 4. First, let's go to settings for the price action concepts and please enable volumetric order blocks, internal buy sell activity. And what I want you to do is enable the fair value gaps over here and please enable all the highs and lows multi time frame. If you done that, just hit the OK button. Now let's go to settings for the signals and overlays, enable the ML signal classifier, and since we are trading on 2 minute, my sensitivity is 20 and I don't use any indicator overlays here. And that's basically everything that I changed. So hit the OK. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other Luxalgo videos. And until the next time, see you soon.